Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer. You are now on your way to enjoying fried foods again without the guilt. Let's first take it out of the box and make sure you received everything we packed inside. You will find the owner's manual. Next, remove the packing material. Remove the PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer main unit. Make sure you remove all tape and stickers. They no longer belong on your appliance. Inside the unit, you will find the basket. Inside the basket, you will find the fry tray. Make sure to examine your materials. You should have an owner's manual, recipe book, and quick start guide. That's all you need to get started with guilt-free frying and much more. If you are missing any items, please either visit our website at the address below or call customer service at 973-287-5176. If you have all of those parts, you are ready to get started with your PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.